What's up everybody? So today I got a couple of deliveries and let's open them up. The first one is a new travel bag. So I have a couple of travel bags already, but I wanted to find something smaller because the one that I currently have is a massive one and basically it doesn't comply with the airline rules because it's too big. So let's see what arrived. See? Is happy, which means I'm gonna be happy as well. A lot of unneeded paper. There you go. As you can see, I did not lie. I did not open this before. What do you think about this? So this bag is Lowepro 350. Full name is ProTactic BP 350 AW2. So it's actually a revised version, the second version of it. Do you want to learn more about it? Check this out. So let's talk about the bag itself first, and then we'll move to all the extras you get with it. At the first glance, you can definitely see it's a hard and steady travel bag. So it's not one of those bags that you would use for your usual travels that stretch and you can put a little bit extra stuff in it. It's meant to keep your gear safe. And again, from the first touch and feel, it does look like a very, very safe bag. As you can see, it's a very tactical one, so you get a lot of these straps here that will give you additional benefits of putting extra compartments here, which we'll talk about later. And on the other side, you have this fancy active zone. I mean, I am not wearing my bag without clothes on, so I'm not sure how good it is in terms of ventilation, but from the first feel, it was okay. But the straps are really, really comfortable, and you can definitely feel that. They've put that extra filling there so that it's nice to wear. You get all these extra ways to adjust them, which is also good. You can also lock it here for the weight management. Again, from the first, it looks and feels like a very comfortable bag. In terms of zippers, they have upgraded their zippers and they are big, really big, and they have these handles here, which is really useful when you try to open it or close it, which is really good as well. Now, let's talk about what's inside. So the main, but not the only way to open it is from the back side. So you open it like this, and there you go. So as you can see, you get a lot of compartments here fully configured. And let's talk about how you configure them. So you get these dark gray sections here that you can configure, and they are more structural. So you can actually segment your bag in a way you want for your camera, for your drone, and for other stuff. Then you get these smaller ones, light gray ones, which are just meant for like small walls so that you can group things together. And you get these orange ones, which are very, very light and flexible, which you can use for other walls, more flexible walls. Also, one of them has an additional compartment there, which is also pretty useful. So again, you have all the flexibility here in terms of how you're gonna manage your gear. Then you get here these two compartments for your filters, for your documents, whatever you carry with you. Also very nice zippers here, and you have this safe corner here for the zipper so you don't damage your gear when you close it. Then you will also have a compartment which is meant for your laptop. It can take up to 13-inch laptop. I know you can put 15-inch here. You will struggle to close it. I'm going to be using my iPad for all my travels, so I'll just put iPad here. From the front side of the bag, you can access all your gear from the top, which is really useful. as you can see, we managed to get inside, and this is really steady and hard, so you get extra security with the stuff you put here. So you have the compartment for SD cards. You have another small bag here where you can put your glasses, for example, which is really useful because then they are safe from being smashed. You also get these two compartments here for your keys, because there is a keychain here. I wouldn't say there is a lot of space here, but it's still pretty useful. You get it from on both sides, which is also pretty good. Now, as I mentioned, these are not the only ways how you can access your gear. You also have access from both sides, from left and right. So all you need to do is you can just unzip here and you get access to your gear. So you can put your camera here and it's very easy accessible one then. Please be cautious though, because this adds a little bit of risk of someone maybe stealing your gear, but again, I wouldn't say that it's an easy one. These zippers are relatively loud, so you will probably hear if someone tries to steal it, but again, it's a very useful feature of this bag because you want to have your maybe headphones and your camera somewhere easily accessible without need to take it off, open the whole bag and try to find your stuff. Another useful thing you get with this bag is the waist strap. It's used when your bag is very heavy and you can balance the weight to put less pressure on your back. It's also very good, high quality. You have this Lycrone, so basically when you put it inside of the bag, it's really hard to take it out. You also have this extra bag here which you can use for, I don't know, for maybe your credit card or something small here, maybe some batteries. And you would expect that that's it, but no, actually you get some cool extras from the Lowepro. So you get this tactical bag which you can use for various things. You can just put your batteries there or whatever you want. It's not that small, so you can actually put maybe big power banks there as well. And it's tactical, so you can attach it to your bag and it's easy to use. Also, you get this bottle bag as well, which is a good addition to your main bag so that you don't need to carry your bottle in your hand. You also get this nice addition for your tripod. So whenever you put your tripod on this bag, you basically put this for the legs so that they are steady and you're safe that your tripod is not gonna fall off. So yeah, I can't wait to start using this bag. I actually will be traveling on Thursday, so I will be definitely taking it with me. I'll be putting all my gear in it and I will try to use it for a couple of months, and then I'll probably make another review telling you more about how good it was, how practical it was, did I have any problems in airports. And yeah, I hope it's not gonna tear apart and I will be able to show it to you in couple. I hope you enjoyed this video. I definitely enjoyed it because I got this new bag. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, put the notification on, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.